His sense of style makes him stand out on and off the stage. Life does take us through interesting twists and turns. Who would have thought that this young man, who was sent to learn mechanic trade, as we say in Jamaica, would burst onto the entertainment scene with such a dazzle? Once he smiles, you should be able to identify him. And if you can remember the lyrics, rhythm, and the dance moves of the S90 skank, then the secret is out. It's time to hear from Manley Augustus Bachanan, big youth, DJ, cultural toaster extraordinaire. This is Profile. Good evening. I am Faye Ellington. Shall I tell you what an absolute pleasure it is to sit in the same space as Big Youth, and I'm not watching him perform, eh? And I'm not doing the S90 dance because I was wicked on that, you know. How you doing?
Sounds coming down with me, as I would say. Said I'm sitting with a little sister called Faye and Profile.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. It's so wonderful to be here, ma'am.
Thank you so much. You know, you went off to learn mechanic trade, and you were practicing that trade at the Sheraton Hotel in Kingston, New Kingston.
Yes, I actually started auto mechanic at Harvey's Cab Service at John Street in Raytown.
So you're working with a cab service?
Yeah, that's where I started learning trade.
Were you a driver as well?
Not really, but the first time I drive, I get a 50-cent raise I pay.
You had a license?
No, because I drive the car inside of the compound where the cab service is. And it was something because the wheel was so advanced. It rotated so fast. But when I parked the car on, the boss said that everything was right.
How old were you?
You know, it's just 14 now, 14 going 15.
Because you left school at 13.
13.
How come?
Well, my mother, she run a church, you know, and she have a whole heap of believers and all like that. And, you know, people come around and a lot of bad influence and all like that. And they would act like we're getting bad.
They act like we're not getting bad?
Yeah. Because she have my sister them and thing, and when we go on the street, we're not doing nothing wrong, you know, because we're coming from a Christian home. We have discipline when we go out there. And maybe it was too hard for the woman to hear, because she's mama and for papa, you know.
So your father was a policeman. Where was he?
But I don't know how him is a policeman and him so weird, you know. He never do nothing.
So did you meet him at all? Did you know him?
I know the brother good, man. Mama have to took him to court, you know. Which I think is a bad woman. Because when you put price on your children or you picnic them head, it's not a nice thing.
But she had to survive and she had to take care of all of you. So many, 5 of you?
Yes. Well, the bigger one, Maxine, she was staying with my grandmother, so she went away to Canada from an early age.
So we're talking about Raytown, life in Raytown. Is that where you were born?
Yes.
And who are some of the entertainers who would pass through that area or you would meet as a young man?
Originally, you know the old Scatterlight with Dangermans, them, man, because Beaumont is a stone throw away from where we had. So we'd go to Beaumont and see the Scatterlight. Even Bagger Case is a man that born there.
That is from Home T4, and he's also a graphic artist.
Yes. And one of your hosts that you have lately is a Raytown man too, you know.
You're talking about Oko Nuro.
Onuro.
Yes.
Orlando Wang. Yes.
But after you left the cab service, you ended up working at the Sheraton.
All right. And yes, because like Mama move, she buy a little piece of land out on the center when she went to build her church, because she was in a lease land up on East King's House Road, you know. Then I get a job now. I come and labor work. Yeah, but at least I get 29 shilling a day. So at the end of the week, you see a change in life.
Yes.
But I hold on to that laboring work until I get with the mechanics. So I started to service the machine. A.D. Scott, that great art man, was our boss, you know, over at Sheraton.
And he had his place up in Papine as well, A.D. Scott.
Yeah,
Yes.
and his house was next to where that Bob Marley's house is, up on Jackshill. I even go up there and fix the crane car.
So you were good as a mechanic?
Yeah, a good serviceman, because them have some old equipment, and with a good head I could fix all these things, and the boss loved that. So
how the music thing start?
when them start to build the elevator shaft, because Sheraton,
At the Sheraton?
Yeah, Sheraton was a low place, you know, with all those shingles.
And for those
things.
persons who don't know, Sheraton is what then became Wyndham Hotel, and
Till
that is in the
Hilton,
Kingston area.
And turned Hilton.
And Hilton and all of that.
And we was building the Skyline, which was...
Skyline Hotel, which is now the Courtly.
Yes, which was next door to the Pegasus. And
so you were there when they were going up with the Sheraton and building the elevator
yes,
shaft?
and that Pegasus, Ixanil was doing Pegasus next door with our neighbors. So when I go into that elevator shaft and sing, the windows of the world are covered with frame, windows do... Yeah, and I say, oh, because Dan Warwick is my teacher, you know. And singing them paragons and thing, and my voice getting back at me and so sweet.
In the elevator shaft, it bounced back at you?
Yes, because the acoustic.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even know about acoustic then. I would say the echo. Yes, but the acoustic was so good that I keep on it. The least chance I get, I go there and sing, you know. Till then, this sound tipper tone now down in Princess Street. Because that's where I start to hang out, you know. After work, because after the job finish and we drop out, I'm in the street now. Heidelberg's University.